Hey, how's it going? So I want to go over today how to make it unreasonable for agencies and B2B businesses to get an extra 3 to 5 clients in the next 60 days with our optimized landing page framework. So who am I? My name is Alex. I'm the founder of ConvertSale. My sole focus ever since starting my business was to help agencies and businesses sign more deals. What I do is I build high converting landing pages that have generated amazing results for myself, my friends, my clients, and now I'm excited to share with you. And this is all done through our very specific framework that we use. It's focused on social proof, making sure you have the right structure in place. We do this to ensure you build more trust, credibility, and authority. In this video today, I'm going to cover what most business owners have tried and why our system succeeds where others have failed. Real quick before we get into it, I want to show you a recent testimonial, a client of mine, what he had to say working with us and the results on his page.
Hey Alex, Mike Scully here. I just wanted to record this quick video for you. It's a testimonial and it's an absolutely well-deserved one, man. Honestly, you've been absolutely fantastic with the work you've done. And before I reached out to you, I got a large inflow of clients. So I basically run a landing page agency myself. And we had a large inflow of leads, clients, and I actually had to take someone else on for a project. It was just a one-time project, and I chose Alex because it was a builder that I didn't have much experience with, and I needed an expert to tackle this project and just take it hands off as much as possible for me. And wow, did Alex really fulfill. It was an absolutely superb job. I can't compliment him enough. His expertise, his professionalism, it was second to none, right? So yeah, if you're ever looking for or questioning about who should I get a landing page done by, Alex is an absolute perfect candidate. He took the job completely off my hands, and bear in mind I'm running a landing page agency, so I need a quality top notch for the clients, and he did not fail to impress. He handled everything. I gave him the information that was necessary, and he did his own research, helped with the copy, everything he did. He went away, didn't contact me at all, and just had the job done. It came back to me, here it is, quick review, change a couple of things, and that was it. So yeah, can't recommend him enough. It's been an absolute pleasure, Alex. Take care.
That's what Mike had to say. And so now getting into it, if you run an agency or B2B business and are looking to supercharge qualified leads and client acquisition, save countless hours every month on prospecting without spending more money on ads or dealing with low quality prospects, then you're in the right place. By now, you've probably been pitched complicated websites costing $15,000 or more, ads to be placed all over Google and social media, expensive SEO hacks that really don't move the needle forward at all, and doing cold outreach yourself every day. But the problem is many of these solutions are costly and or time consuming, whereas you need quick and efficient. So what I'm about to cover is completely different from the above. Stick around if this sounds like you, if your site bounce rates are high, low qualified prospects are booking calls with you, people who have no business booking calls with you are doing so. You're struggling to book meetings even though your offer is solid. You've wasted thousands of dollars on paid ads but didn't get results. You've tried updating parts of the site here and there, little hacks and gimmicks, but nothing really improved the conversions like you need. And here's the truth. You can easily close 3 to 5 more clients per month. Add an extra 15 to 30K in monthly revenue in the next 90 days. You can book out your calendars once your site and landing pages are optimized. However, most people don't know where to start or aren't doing it correctly. And let's get into why most businesses are struggling. 1, the offer is not communicated clearly. Prospects are not qualified. Customers just don't see the benefit and why they should choose your business over others. What does that mean? We're going to come in, build you a high converting landing page based on your ideal client profile and branding, your ICP. We design the page and execute your offer that makes it stand out from the competition. We manage it for you when finished and optimize further as you grow your social proof, because that's going to be very key in helping the conversions long term. And we advise and assist when the page is done without any extra costs. So your calendar is only getting filled with the most qualified leads, people, high intent buyers, without taking any extra time on your end. What's next? I want to get into some recent client work and show you our framework very clearly. Here's Queued On Leads. This is an agency we did some work for recently. We built them a new landing page, and yeah, getting into it right now. Important, starting with a bold hook, a header, saying clearly what your business does. Scale your real estate business with better leads. In the sub-heading, here's where we explain how is your business going to help people. And then the CTA front and center, easy to click and find above the fold, nice in contrast. With them, they didn't have so many reviews from the start. So I started the top with just some stats, some simple stats to show like build authority, credibility, 600, 800% ROI, gross margin, how many leads per day they can get people. Then getting to benefits right away, just the 4 main benefits, explained very clearly what is possible, what can be done. CTA, again, that's very crucial to have the CTA repeat again. They just got some testimonials recently, putting some reviews down here. This is nice and easy I built this page on Framer, so Framer really is a nice, modern, effective way to really take your pages to the next level. Then next, the process. They have a 4-step process. Here we put it really clearly, nice and simple, easy to understand, taking people through the process. Capitalize on untapped opportunities, getting to the benefits a bit more. Then here we explode and expand even more on the benefits. 5 main benefits again, and nice CTA showcasing in a different way now. Book a call now ASAP, start ASAP. Fact, this is very important, and I see a lot of businesses are missing this on their pages. Fact, basically your frequently asked questions. This is so important to qualify. This is where you're gonna really qualify prospects and qualify people. So when any important main questions people have, they're gonna be able to just see it here and not waste your time booking calls to ask you these simple questions they could have already found on your page. Then in the end, we end with one final CTA, getting people to take the next step. Now, next, I want to show you another agency. I did a page redesign for them. Basically, this redesign, you see their text, their original font, it's just too big. We help D2C. I wanted to start with the benefit first, lower your acquisition costs first. Then the VSL, which the guy, if you go down his page, he has a VSL, he didn't add it. Another crucial thing is he has 2 CTAs. 2 CTAs does not work. It is too confusing, and you have people going in different locations. You want to just get people to book a call with you right away. They already have your work, your past work on the page as you go down. And they have logos of brands they work with, which is great. But if you have testimonials, which they have, that is even more powerful. There's nothing more powerful than somebody physically talking about you and how much they're excited and love to work with you on a video. So those logo brands I would still put on the page, but later I would instead put a video testimonial. Now getting into it, this is the framework we use for agencies, B2B businesses and services. Here is the high converting landing page framework. Like I said before, I got a headline, subheading, VSL, CTA. This is all above the fold in the hero section. Next, we get into social proof, benefits, more social proof, as much social proof as you have. We're going to show it in different ways on video, text, case studies, even if it's a TikTok video or whatnot, if you guys have, or a YouTube video. CTA again. Then we're going to explain the process very clearly, crystal clear, and then what's included, what do people get when they work with your business. Another CTA. About Us is really good. Having an About Us is fantastic. Just showing more of your personality, who you are, explaining your brand more. Social proof again, if you have. Then ending with the fact, and one final CTA for that last push. Tying that all in together now is going to be your sales funnel at a whole. So from the top level, I'm just showing you the whole process of your funnel, how your landing page fits in with your whole framework and your whole system. The landing page is the foundation. Landing pages is where people come, and you have all these structures and components that I mentioned earlier. Basically, for agencies and service businesses, the landing page, then with the CTA, you'll take people to book a call. The process is they show up, intro a call to your services. If they don't show up, follow up via email, WhatsApp. You'll set this up in your Calendly properly, as Calendly or Cal.com can work as well. I prefer Calendly. Next, after the intro call with them, let's say they want to begin and pay, or let's say they're not ready to begin, set a future follow-up call. Always go for that future follow-up call. Don't just let the meeting end in the abyss with nothing happening. If from the beginning there's a no-show, you still follow up. You just keep following up. Give it a few more tries, follow up with them, but don't spam them. Give it a few days, a couple days. And for clients, for people who are ready to begin and pay, they pay you, client work begins, and that's it. And it all stemmed from a properly structured, very effective, winning landing page structure. So what are the options now? Option 1, do it yourself. You can figure it out yourself on how to design a landing page, what is the best builder to use, how to properly structure your page so it communicates your offer clearly, figure out how to qualify people on the page, learn how to build trust. There's a saying, we pay for every lesson with either time or money, and we use the currency we value least. Money you can always get more of, time you can't. So if you're like me and you value your time more than anything else on this earth, let's look at option 2. Option 2, hire an expert. Across all of our clients, we're converting 30 to 50% more, which is resulting in 3 to 5 more clients per month now. We already have proven systems, frameworks, design styles, etc. that we know will work for you. Instead of spending months of trial and error figuring it out on your own, you can let a team of experts handle the process A to Z, getting you better results and fast. If you're looking to scale your business in 2024, here's what will happen when you work with us. You'll be able to stop worrying about how to predictably and reliably grow your business. You will only get qualified prospects booking directly to your calendar. You and your sales team will be able to spend less time on qualifying and more time on higher ROI tasks, follow up and nurture. you will have an optimized page that does the selling for you instead of having to prove yourself to your prospects. Here's our process really clearly. A 30-minute discovery call to review your current page and offer. Upon signing, you'll receive your draft of the page within 7 days. In week 2, we'll be fine-tuning the page and helping you with the VSL if you don't already have one. Page will be finalized and ready to be live by the end of week 3. So if you're interested in this offer, click the link below and speak with me and my team. Have a great day and speak soon.